Guys, it's gonna be 2 minutes lang. So, my channel was last time because I live in the Philippines. Things like that. You want me to something like a game like I play Roblox. Oh, I have some with Minecraft. I downloaded it. Without that, this is my house. Don't mind that one. That's not my house. It's just another people's house. But if you want to use Tagalog, ito. Here. Basahin mo. Okay. Ako ay Filipino. Ito ang gusto ko naging kwan. Nakalimutan ko. So you wanna make me do some Filipino records? It's literally December 30 right here. I am registering Bogaro. If you want me to do it, just type chat. Type yes in the chat. Or tell me what game I play. It's 2026 now. Woohoo! Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Wonder where my where is the baby's there? The baby. Oh my god, that hurt. And just get my chinelas. I mean Crocs. Chinelas is what we call here in the Philippines. Chinelas, not a CH. That's my dad then. Huh? Baby. I love my baby. But so if you want to